Let's dive a little deeper into how creatine works its magic and why it's so popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. This supplement has become a staple in the fitness world, and for good reason. Its benefits are backed by science. Our muscles use a molecule called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, for energy. ATP is the primary energy carrier in all living organisms. It's like the currency of energy in our cells, allowing us to perform various activities. Every time you move a muscle, ATP is being broken down to release energy. During intense exercise, our bodies burn through ATP rapidly, depleting our energy reserves quickly. This rapid depletion can lead to fatigue and decreased performance. When you're pushing your limits, your muscles are crying out for more ATP to keep going. This is where creatine comes into play. By supplementing with creatine, we can increase the amount of creatine phosphate stored in our muscles. This additional creatine phosphate helps in the rapid regeneration of ATP. Essentially, creatine acts as a buffer, allowing your muscles to produce more ATP at a faster rate. Creatine helps replenish ATP stores in our muscles, allowing us to train harder and for longer durations. This means more reps, more sets, and ultimately better results. It essentially delays the onset of muscle fatigue. With more available ATP, your muscles can sustain high-intensity efforts for longer periods. Imagine your muscles as a car engine. Just like a car needs fuel to run, our muscles need ATP to function. Without sufficient ATP, our muscles can't perform at their peak. The analogy of a car engine helps us understand the critical role of ATP in muscle performance. ATP is like the fuel that powers the engine. Without enough fuel, the engine can't perform at its best. Similarly, without enough ATP, our muscles can't sustain high-intensity activities for long. Just as a car with an empty tank can't go far, muscles without ATP can't keep up with demanding physical activities. Creatine acts as a reserve fuel tank, ensuring your engine keeps running smoothly even during high-intensity activities. It provides that extra boost when you need it the most. This extra energy can be crucial during the final moments of a workout or competition. When you're on the brink of exhaustion, creatine can give you that additional push to finish strong. By increasing creatine levels in your muscles, you're essentially enhancing your body's ability to produce energy rapidly, leading to improved athletic performance. This can translate to faster sprints, heavier lifts, and overall better endurance. It's no wonder that creatine is a go-to supplement for those looking to push their limits and achieve new personal bests. Whether you're a professional athlete or a fitness enthusiast, creatine can help you reach new heights in your performance. One of the most well-known benefits of creatine is its ability to boost muscle growth. This supplement has been extensively studied and is widely recognized for its effectiveness in enhancing athletic performance and muscle development. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, creatine can be a game changer in achieving your muscle-building goals. Its popularity stems from the fact that it is one of the most researched supplements on the market, with numerous studies backing its efficacy. Creatine supplementation can lead to significant increases in muscle mass and strength. Many athletes and bodybuilders use it to push past plateaus and achieve new personal records in their training routines. By incorporating creatine into their regimen, they often find that they can lift heavier weights and perform more repetitions, which translates to greater muscle gains over time. This is particularly beneficial for those who have hit a stagnation point in their training, as creatine can provide that extra push needed to break through barriers and continue progressing. It does this by promoting protein synthesis, the process by which your body builds new muscle tissue. This is crucial for recovery and growth, especially after intense workouts that break down muscle fibers. Enhanced protein synthesis means that your muscles repair and grow more efficiently, leading to faster recovery times and more substantial muscle development. Additionally, creatine increases the availability of ATP, the primary energy carrier in cells, which is vital for high-intensity training and explosive movements. Creatine also draws water into the muscles, making them appear fuller and more defined. This volumizing effect not only enhances the aesthetic look of muscles, but also supports better performance during high-intensity exercises. The increased water content within the muscle cells helps to create an optimal environment for muscle contractions, which can improve your overall workout performance. This hydration effect is not just superficial, it plays a critical role in muscle function and endurance, allowing you to push harder during your workouts. This increase in muscle volume can further contribute to strength gains. The added water content helps in maintaining muscle hydration, which is essential for optimal muscle function and endurance. Proper hydration is crucial for preventing muscle cramps and fatigue, allowing you to train harder and longer. Moreover, the volumizing effect can also provide a psychological boost, as the immediate visual changes can be highly motivating and encourage continued effort in training. It's important to note that creatine alone won't magically transform your physique. Consistency and supplementation, along with proper dosing, plays a key role in reaping its benefits. It's recommended to follow a loading phase followed by a maintenance phase to maximize creatine's effectiveness. The loading phase typically involves taking a higher dose for a short period to saturate the muscles with creatine, followed by a lower, maintenance dose to keep levels elevated. You need to combine it with a well-structured exercise program and a balanced diet to see optimal results. A holistic approach that includes regular training, adequate nutrition, and rest will maximize the effectiveness of creatine in your fitness journey. Remember, supplements are just one piece of the puzzle. Dedication and consistency in all aspects of your fitness routine are essential for achieving your goals. Check out the links in the description below for our favorite creatine supplements. While creatine is primarily known for its physical benefits, research suggests it may also enhance brain function. Creatine plays a role in providing energy to the brain, just like it does for muscles. Studies have shown that creatine supplementation can improve memory, focus, and cognitive performance. Creatine may also have neuroprotective effects, meaning it could potentially protect the brain from damage and age-related decline. These cognitive benefits make creatine a promising supplement for individuals of all ages, not just athletes. As we look to the future, creatine's potential extends far beyond muscle gain and cognitive enhancement. Researchers are investigating its role in neuroprotection, particularly in conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Early studies indicate that creatine may help protect neurons from damage and improve mitochondrial function, which is crucial for brain health. Additionally, creatine's anti-inflammatory properties are being explored for their potential in treating chronic conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. These promising avenues of research suggest that creatine could become a versatile tool in managing various health issues. The scientific community is also excited about the potential of creatine in enhancing physical performance in older adults, helping to maintain muscle mass and strength as we age. This could significantly improve the quality of life for many individuals. While more research is needed to fully understand these potential benefits, the future of creatine looks incredibly promising. Stay tuned for more updates as science continues to uncover the many ways creatine can support overall health and well-being. Thank you for joining us, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health and supplement education. And check out the links in the description below for our favorite creatine supplements. See you next time.